You're only 5 minutes and 5 ingredients away from making that classic Chick-fil-A sauce at home. Oh yeah, and I'm Lena Brazil, and you were watching Evolving Table, where we make healthier spins on classic recipes. So let's jump straight in and get to whisking. For this recipe, you'll need mayonnaise, barbecue sauce, mustard, honey, and a touch of paprika. Grab a medium-sized bowl and add 2/3 cup of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. An original flavor is best to use. 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 teaspoons of mustard. Yellow or Dijon mustard can be used. 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk the ingredients together until well combined. Store the sauce in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, or serve it immediately with the hot nuggets. That was so quick and easy to make, but we cannot stop right there. If you want those incredibly addicting Chick-fil-A nuggets too, then I've got you covered. You've got to check out this copycat recipe right over here. Thanks so much for hanging out. I'll see you in the next one.